I'm going to show you some neck stretches that you can do. We had a lot of members coming in saying their neck and shoulders are tight and sore from either doing more yard work or just moving around more in the summer. So there are some very specific neck stretches that really help when you're having that pain, and even that pain in between your shoulder blades is all coming from here. So the first one is stretching that upper trap muscle right here. And you always want to have your arm down. So whether you put your arm behind your back if you can, or just make sure it's hanging down. And then you're going to tilt your head away from it. And just till you feel a good, comfortable stretch right there, hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds, whatever feels comfortable. If you can tolerate putting your hand on top of your head and that's still comfortable, that might give a little more of a stretch. You just want to make sure you're not pulling down. Just let the weight of your arms sit there. And then another one you can do is to stretch the levator scapula muscle. It's just behind there. This muscle gets really tight when you're looking down at a book or at a screen or at your phone. And so this is tight on most people. You're going to start the same way with that arm behind your back, or just make sure that shoulder is down. And you're actually going to look down toward your opposite either thigh or foot, depending on if you're sitting or standing. And think, put your arm on top of your head, bringing your nose down toward your shoulder, not pulling it all, just letting the weight of your arm stretch. Same thing, hold that for about 20 to 30 seconds. Should be a comfortable stretch. No discomfort there at all. So you're going to want to do those stretches on both sides to keep yourself evened out. Another really good one that you can do is called a chin tuck. And you don't have to do it like this each time, but if you put your finger on your chin, and then don't move your finger, but pull your chin back away from your finger. When you're doing it without your finger there, it looks like just pulling back and forth. And this one you don't necessarily have to hold so much. It's more of like pressure on, pressure off. This is really good if you get those headaches at the base of your skull there. And it really helps to improve your posture as well. Something that you've probably done here with us on the Vibe plate is that YWT stretch. And that is so good for your posture and even just like relaxing those shoulders and bringing your shoulders down. So you just stretch straight up. This is the Y. And then come down into the W, actually squeezing your shoulder blades together. And then coming back and just gently pulling your arms back to where you feel that good stretch here. And this just opens everything up. It resets your posture. This is really good to do frequently throughout the day. And then the last one I'm going to show you is either a doorway or a corner stretch for your chest. As we go about our day and everything's in front of us, we start to do this. And that puts a lot of strain back here. So when you're doing this stretch, you won't actually feel it in your neck, but it helps your neck. So if you're doing it in a corner, you're just going to put an arm up on each side and then lean forward until you feel just a comfortable stretch across here. Or you can do it in a doorway. If there was a doorway right here, just arm up on either side. And then you're just gently leaning in. If that bothers your back, you can put a foot forward. And that just takes some pressure off your back. And it's just a gentle stretch across here with your elbow just straight out from your arms. And that's a really good one to both help improve your posture as well as decrease that neck and especially upper back in between your shoulder blade pain.